an Akins Ford Bronco Badlands Covert edition that you're truly going to love on this episode of Real Deal and Why Willies TV. A 2021 custom right here at Why Willies and Akins Ford in Winder, Georgia. Your source for everything auto. Thanks for watching today. Ladies and gentlemen, I love this iconic silver. The wife has the iconic silver, and I'm so happy we did it instead of the race red. That's hard for me to say because you know I love race red, but this is such an elegant color. I love the way it just looks rugged and premium all at the same time. We are 1.5 inch leveled on 285/75/17. So this suspension on the Badlands comes with a Bilstein-Haas suspension system, which is a great addition. Obviously, it's also already lifted from the factory slightly, so we're limited on what lift kit components we can use on this one confidently without having to change more components. So we did the 1.5 inch Fab Tech kit on this one with a Toyo Open Country MT tire. Just gives it that rugged appeal that we so desire out of the Bronco. Still rides great on the factory wheel. Our mile to wild scale, we're pushed in pretty positive still because we're on that factory wheel, so we're not even sticking out. I mean, we're flush with those non-Sasquatch fenders. Look at the Easter eggs hidden everywhere throughout the Bronco. Got the modular bumper, so we incorporated the rigid Raptor fog kit, which is very functional. You've got the middle street legal light and a floodlight and spotlight to go with it. Nice skid plate underneath. I love the modular bumper. It gives great functionality. And the retro Bronco script is almost a must. This looks so premium and retro. The rigid 360 lights are so bright, 4-inch round lights with the rigid brackets. A great confident addition on your nighttime driving. And coming around too, they got the polymer bumper out back that does not match the front bumper whatsoever. So we incorporated the 4-wheel part steel bumper out back to match our front steel bumper. And it does relocate your tag bracket up on your spare. We got rigid D-series floodlights out back as well on our auxiliary switches. Now this is the most loaded out Badlands I've ever seen. It's got the big engine, hard top. Love the leather seating. We also did the JBL sound bar in the rear. Now to me, I'm looking, it could be obstructive from your overall view out back, but you still can see underneath there. But that's just one thing to keep in mind. But it really, really rocks. It puts out great sound. You've got the Molly storage system out back as well. All with the Bronco floor mats, front and rear. Just a great overall interior package. Keep in mind that the Badlands and the first edition are the only two vehicles that have the sway bar disconnect. So that's a great off-road addition. Plus you got front and rear lockers on the Badlands as well. Rock slide engineering, power steps. Very sleek and low profile. Does have a functional step application right here as well as a rock protection underneath. Hence the name, y'all. But the Rock Slide Engineering Power Board. Let me know with your thoughts on experience with these. Do you like or dislike them overall? But a pretty simple build. To summarize, we did level kit, tires, speedometer calibrator, rigid lights on your bumper and on your A-pillar, a power board, rigid lights on your A-pillar, window tint, sound bar, all with our floor mats, rear steel bumper. Gotta love it. A quick one today for you guys. Hope you enjoyed this one. If you have any more questions about this vehicle or the functionality or capability of Broncos in general, anything auto, anything Bronco, I'm your guy, Real Deal, Why Willies at Akins. Peace out.